Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the ICP token. It's easy to do this. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So now all you need to do is take note of the price, simply scroll down and find one of the exchanges that are hosting this token. As you can see here, we have Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and KuCoin. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get some of the ICP on OKX. Minimize and open up your OKX platform. That's the app. So once you've opened the app, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on OKX, by using the link below this video, you can sign up to claim 10,000 USDT worth of mystery boxes. Now, once you're logged into OKX, make sure you deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside. So if you click on deposit, you could easily deposit cryptocurrency here that you can turn into the ICP, and any cryptocurrency of your choice would work. Or you could click on the P2P trading and click on buy crypto. That's with your MasterCard. You could easily buy any cryptocurrency of your choice that is listed here and get yourself some ICP directly. Now, all you need to do to get yourself the ICP token is the icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon, and where we have the convert option, click on convert. And now we can easily convert from the world coin to the ICP by simply searching for ICP. Click on the Internet Computer Protocol, click on Max, click on Preview Conversion, and simply convert. Once it's done, click on View Assets and you'll be taken to the Assets menu. So where you simply reload, you'd find the ICP coin. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.